Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews and real-world insights into trending products. In today's video, we're spotlighting what we believe is the best tummy control shapewear for men, the TAILONG Men Tummy Control Shorts. If you're looking for a discreet, effective, and comfortable way to shape your midsection, this product might just be your next wardrobe essential. Let's start with what this product is and what it offers. These TAILONG high-waist slimming underwear shorts are designed specifically for men who want to flatten their stomach and contour their waistline without sacrificing comfort. They're made with a smooth blend of 72% nylon and 28% spandex, a lightweight, breathable, and stretchy combination that makes them easy to wear under your daily clothes without drawing attention. One of the standout features of these shorts is the seamless design. That means no bulky stitching or awkward lines showing through your pants. Whether you're heading to the office or out for a casual night, they stay hidden and work silently to give your waist a more toned appearance. But this isn't just about aesthetics. The shorts provide mild compression that supports the lower back and can even offer some relief from everyday discomfort or strain. Wearing them feels like putting on a second skin. The waistband is wide and firm, acting almost like a tummy tuck belt. It pulls in excess belly fat, smooths out love handles, and creates a sleeker torso. And because of the steel boning integrated into the design, the shorts stay in place. You won't be adjusting or pulling them up throughout the day. Let's talk about versatility for a moment. These aren't one-size-fits-all. TAILONG offers sizes ranging from small to 3X large, and they come in classic colors like black, beige, and white. So whether you're aiming for a low-profile look under white pants or a more universal color under darker clothes, there's a choice that'll fit right in with your wardrobe. In terms of care, TAILONG recommends hand washing, which helps preserve the elasticity and structure of the fabric. This attention to care is important because, with daily wear, you want the material to maintain its compression and stretch without warping or losing its shape over time. Now, who is this product for? It's ideal for anyone who wants a confidence boost or a smoother silhouette without going through the hassle of hardcore gym routines or uncomfortable corsets. Whether you're working on your fitness goals or simply looking for a quick fix under your clothes, this shapewear provides an effective and budget-friendly solution. In summary, the TAILONG Men Tummy Control Shorts blend comfort, support, and style into one sleek package. They're practical enough for daily wear, invisible under clothing, and strong enough to flatten and shape where it matters most. If you're a guy looking to up your fashion game and slim your profile, these might be the best investment you can make in your wardrobe today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product breakdowns and honest opinions. See you in the next video.